Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS app. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, we search about FBS and you click. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.